What is going on, pie holders? It is Ahmed, and I am back today with yet another video for you on. Today, guys, we're going to talk about the fact that Picoin continues to slip past all support lines as it's going down and what seems to be the next support line, which would be 65 cents or so for Picoin. But remember, as always, never financial advice, just putting you guys on the plays that I'm in. If you're new around here, smash the like button down below for the YouTube algorithm and consider subscribing to the channel. Pie's down another 9% on the day. What seems to be a never-ending dip, and this is where the majority of people will give up on their positions. Pie sitting at a $5.5 billion market cap with $331 million in 24-hour trade volume. 81 cents is the current price per Pie coin. Absolute madness. Down from $1.19 in the last week and down from almost $3 a month ago. The overall market is running sideways, which there's really no things to panic about in terms of micro or macroeconomics or the way that the crypto market has been moving. Slight correction after having some good days over the past week. But why is Picoin never ending in terms of its correction, and how low can we go? First and foremost, we're trading below all moving averages and we are in the oversold category. We've officially hit that when Pi went below all the way to 77 cents earlier today. Bounced off support, ran to about 85 cents. But again, this is a falling wedge that we need to find a clear bottom for before I could even say it's time to even double down or increase your position. So we're going to discuss everything in terms of macroeconomics, why Picoin is going down, but also what AI is saying in terms of end of month price predictions for Picoin. Now, before I do so, remember guys, BTCC is an affiliate of the channel. Free money for all Picoin holders, as you guys can see here with the Pi logo or the Picoin symbol. BTCC X Your Pop, $2,000 giveaway. So this giveaway is going to be 4 winners of you watching today. $500 USDT split amongst you. March 24th through the end of April on the 21st is when the competition will end. So how to be included in the drawing for the 500 USDT, which I am planning to do live on stream here on YouTube. Sign up, deposit, and trade any amount between the 24th of March and 21st of April. Rewards are going to be distributed on April 30th, and we can select them collectively, and we'll figure out the most fair way to do so. But the fact is, it's free money awaiting you all. Take advantage of it. In addition, there's also $10,000 when you complete the sign-up requirements and the trading requirements to be a part of that big prize pool. Overall market slightly running sideways and correcting today. Nothing too major on either side, but the biggest loser amongst the top cryptocurrencies in terms of weak value is Picoin, down 31% in the last 7 days. People are doubling down on their sell positions, more so than even Jasmy and any other cryptocurrency, even Hyperliquid with all the news that came out earlier today. It's unfortunate, but Picoin is the biggest loser. AI predicts Picoin price prediction for March 31st, 2025. Picoin price predictions show the token potentially reaching $1.44 by March 31st, 2025. Well, this would be a substantial 51.64% gain from the current value of 94 cents, which at the time of the recording is actually 80.8 cents. Right now, the Pi network price has unfortunately fallen about 31% over the last week, more like 36%. However, many analysts are expecting a recovery soon amid the ongoing cryptocurrency market fluctuations. Yes, Pi is being plummeted, and a lot of you want to fumble your position. I understand that. Guys, trust me, we are all human beings, and human nature tells us if the price of something is going down, we should sell, get out, take the profits that we can before it goes to zero. And a lot of you are questioning yourself saying, is Picoin going to $0? Is it going to become useless, unknown cryptocurrency with all the infrastructure that has been built, all of the contributors and pioneers that are part of the network, all of the work that has been put into this beast over the last 6 years? You think that the price falling means it's over for Picoin? The answer is absolutely not. Now, could this be more manipulation because there's some exciting news that's around the corner for Picoin? I think so. But again, guys, make sure you understand and know this is just short-term correction, short-term bleeding of the chart because profits are being taken at an aggressive rate, which is totally normal and a part of any markets, especially for a coin that's only been born on February 20th, literally a month and a few days since it's been live for trading. So a lot of people have been working for years and years that are so-called pioneers have sold their positions. They're taking their profits because they want continued catalysts. Retail investors want positive news, positive catalysts on a day-to-day basis, or they get bored. True builders are not looking for day-to-day catalysts. They're looking at this as a long-term hold. So don't overstress on the fact that the price has continued to go down, but understand that there is positive trajectory and positive news and positive catalysts that are going to be coming for Pi Network sooner rather than later. PiCoin token price predictions, market trends, and key factors affecting PiCoin. And again, they talk about some short-term price targets, and this is based off AI models, which is interesting. But the RSI right now, with 22.5% volatility and 14-day RSI of 31.87, suggesting that it might be approaching oversold condition from a 2-week perspective standpoint. The latest PiCoin price prediction for immediate futures show signs of gradual recovery ahead. Pi token value is expected to reach approximately $1.35 on March 30th, rising further to about $1.44 on March 31st before adjusting slightly to around $1.33 on April 1st. This is based off artificial intelligence and utilizing pricing models that have been created, like all the technical analysis indicators that we've talked about in the prior videos. The highest near term, of course, is March 29th of $1.26, representing an increase of 32.85% from where we are today. Stomach the volatility, but factors that are affecting the price right now and movement. Any serious PiCoin price prediction must take into account the increased sell pressure, especially with the record 330 million coins being deposited to exchanges recently. Insane amounts of tokens, and people were blaming the developers and the founders for putting their tokens into exchanges and starting to sell them off on the open market. This is happening at a time when cryptocurrency is starting to rally, with Bitcoin reaching as high as 87, actually 88.5 yesterday, and Avalanche gaining about 11% as a pretty significant rally for an altcoin. Is 200% rise possible for Pi in the short term? The long-term Pi price prediction is quite an optimistic one. To be more specific, technical analysis suggests possible 228% rise to $3.80 by April 23rd, 2025. Interestingly, a $1,000 investment held until May 1st, 2025 could yield an approximate $3,825 payout. Long story short, this would be an impressive 382.57 ROI in just the next 37 days. So what am I here to say? Guys, you decide what to do with your money. But if you're somebody that was looking to buy, or you bought the top, or you were FOMOing in on the way up, and now that it's going down, you're thinking, oh my goodness, I need to sell. This is nothing but another cryptocurrency. It's just another piece of coin. It's nothing. There's no utility to it. That's not the way to think. You got to understand that the market right now and the market is overselling PiCoin. A lot of short positions have been put in place, but as soon as sentiment shifts and it flips because of some catalyst coming to life and coming to fruition, we will, just like a light switch, from off to on, we can see that momentum rally. Because remember, at 65 cents, 64 cents, people were panicking, saying it's going to zero. Then what happened? It ran to $1.30, $1.60, $2, $2.50, $3. Within only the span, mind you, of 5-6 days or so. So the same thing can happen again over the next 5 to 6 days. But I'm just here to give you guys updates as they come. Hodl your position if you believe in this token long term. And if you don't, this is probably not the place for you to be. I appreciate your support as always. That's all I had. And until next time, as always, everyone, keep investing. Peace.